आनी पयलीं त्या भशेन केन्ना घडोवन दिसलें. सो तुमी पॉलिटिक्स जावं सद्याक खंय कितें चल्लां अशें दिसता तुमकां?
I would not call it an agitation. What happened in the assembly today is not an agitation. It is just some disgruntled elements who have been misguided, who have been shut out and told we go to the assembly, nothing will happen. As far as their fate is concerned, I do not know. Because I believe it will be the speaker who will take a call. And of course, he may seek the assistance of the government so that the home department would ultimately decide. But I have to definitely take it that during my tenure, I have never seen public coming into the house and being never. I have been an MLA from 1994. In between years, there was a gap of around 10 years. But never have I seen that. That is why I believe those boys have been misguided. They're coming. And let's see what their fate is. And I hope this incident, this type of an incident, is not repeated.
Isn't it a security concern for even the MLAs or the minister who are there in assembly?
As far as security concerned, I think Goa is still safe. I don't think. Definitely, what do you say, lapse on the part of security. At the same time, I don't blame them because seeing the way the paper was folded, it might have been folded and put in the pocket. Now, if tomorrow the security start checking pockets, again people will shout. So there I would give benefit of doubt. But had it to be a placard or something like that, then it was a different issue.
Thank you, sir.